I currently have 3 unused development boards in my hands. First of all, this is video music. A mini server for the game. I deployed Linux. This orange Pi 3B 8GB, RAM 512GB SSD. I deployed a document server. These 3 are left. This is R2S. I haven't used it much yet. This is orange Pi 3B 2GB, memory 128GB SSD. Smart home that plans to use it as a home assistant, because its performance is just enough. This is a Comet Z2W. Its Wi-Fi is broken. I haven't been able to handle its Wi-Fi so far. Maybe it's because this component of it is missing. It's old, 7 or 8 years ago. But through this cable and Type-C, I suddenly made it have a net. Its performance is relatively low. The architecture is also on V6, so I'm going to use it for now to do 2 message notification services, because I checked its performance with AI. Not suitable for data storage. Not suitable for doing some high concurrency or high access business. For example, WordPress, only suitable for some API forwarding or notification classes. Then I will change the notification to an Android notification and another message notification, using it to forward, even if Desire doesn't work anymore. I can also migrate it to another project. Install with Dork. I chose these 2 message notifications. All developed in Go language. Dork support for V6 architecture. That's the only advantage. Like this other camera, or Python code, or some other automation here. The central performance side. But for me, there are no application scenarios, so I'm going to take this Raspberry Pi Zerow. This development board is used for message notification. Need this for now. A router may be made later. May also do other Linux services because its performance is also relatively low. So that's my introduction for today.